Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just went to Joann's to have a little peek in there. I wanted to see like if they had any good Halloween decor, and I actually didn't like any of it, so I didn't even record that part because I was not into it. And I'm gonna try Michael's next time because I really love Halloween and I just want to see other cute stuff. They did have a really cute pink mug, but I didn't get it because I want to see if I can get another one somewhere else that is a little bit cheaper. But yeah, I just went and I recorded a little video of the yarn that I saw that I thought was interesting, and I hope you guys enjoy. So thank you guys for watching this video. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that I saw here is this cotton yarn, and I really like this color. It is from Big Twist. I did touch it and it is softer than the Lily's Sugar and Cream. Look at this one, is so cute. I think this one and the other one are my favorite. They had a bunch of other colors, but you guys know I love my pinks. This other Bernat blanket yarn was so freaking cute. They had a bunch of other colors as well, and it was really plushy. They had this Big Twist for $6.99 on sale. I hope it's still up on sale by the time you see this, but you get a pound of that. And I also touched it and it was pretty soft for a value yarn. So look at this color, is so cute. Only $6.99 guys. So this yarn by, I don't know what the brand is, K&C I think it's called. I don't know, it's like a bamboo yarn, but the colors were so pretty. This one, the yellow one, and this other one will be perfect for fall. I think that brown one was my favorite one. It just reminds me of coffee, and they did have a sale by 2 get 1 free. I think it was all of their yarn. If you bought 2 you would get 1 free. But this Big Twist yarn, it's the prison one. They had really fun colors, so if you're into fun colors, go check that out. And what else did they had? Oh, this other yarn is one of my favorites too. I think it's the party one. In this one, you guys, they had like fall colors. I think these will be perfect for like pumpkins and like decor now that fall is coming. And the last thing that I saw was this new mandala. I think it's new, gradient. I have not seen it, but I thought that pink was so bright and fun, so I had to show you guys. And they had a bunch of other colors too, but that bright pink caught my attention. And they got a bunch of the polymer clay for 97 cents, you guys, but they were all out, so I couldn't get any of the colors that I wanted. But that was pretty much it. That's pretty much all I saw that caught my attention. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.